I'm Luan Ricciardi, and I came from Brazil through the semester exchange program at LPU. Back in Brazil, I studied at State University of São Paulo. And coming to LPU gave me the opportunity to work on advanced drone technology, alongside students from different cultures. Our project focuses on a fixed-wing aerial system design for intelligent drone interception. One of the main goals is to explore cost-effective manufacturing using 3D printing technology, making innovation faster, smarter, and more accessible. What makes this project special is the collaboration. The students from different countries are learning, building, and solving challenges together. Honestly, I loved the culture here so much that I extended my semester. People here are very welcoming. The community is amazing, and yes, I became a huge Shy fan. You're not just studying here, you're building ideas that can shape the future. From Brazil to India, ideas take flight at LPU.